Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video about me for you. Today, let me introduce you. The Rebluum security camera here. This is a wireless outdoor security camera system with 2K resolution. And if you like, you can power this device by using an AC adapter, like your AC adapter from your smartphone, for example, or a power bank, or for example, you can use a solar-powered panel for this device, because this is battery-powered here. There is a built-in battery in it which can make a good job for security. 360 degrees PTZ security camera, or with color night vision, PIR motion detection, two-way audio, and on top it's compatible with Alexa and Google. The Rebluum solar camera system here for outdoor has a 9,700 mAh battery built in to provide continuous power for the wireless outside camera with a high conversion rate for a solar panel. When the solar security camera is turned off, it will automatically switch on with saved power, reducing the camera's downtime for charging and making it as simple to set up without the current third of messy wiring work. And on top we have here a 2K Full HD 360 pan and tilt control with a 3 megapixel 2048 to 1536 resolution. It is 1.5 times more detailed than a 1080p camera. The security wireless outdoor camera may be rotated horizontally up to 355 degrees and vertically up to 90 degrees. The activities can be monitored remotely via the cloudedge app, CLOUDEDGE, which provides a 360 degrees coverage of the region of interest. This PTZ outdoor camera is great for home and business security. And artificial intelligence powered motion detection in customized motion areas. The Rebluum outdoor solar camera security supports human detection and can reduce fault alerts by up to 90%. Customize the motion area and motion plan to meet our diverse home security needs and gives us a peace of mind. Multi-alert with spotlight and a siren on top. This camera features a Wi-Fi and 3 alert modes: voice warning, flashing warning, and app push. We keep unwanted guests at bay and update the color image at the night by playing back video clips from a micro SD card. Up to 128 gigabit, which is not included, are possible, okay? We chat with our family and friends in real time as well. This allows us to know the dynamics at any time and from any location, because we can use the app from all areas of the world if we have an internet connection. That means, if you like, you can make 100% wire-free PTZ with a solar panel, which you have to solder separately, of course, or you go and get this to a wire connection. We have a possibility of non-stop solar power, 100% wireless, no messy cables, if we like. We have 360 PTZ control. We have color night vision. We have an ultra 3 megapixel HD and 4 times digital zoom. It's IP66 waterproof for outdoor use. No more worries about rains nor hot weather. The outdoor camera can stay in outdoor well and handle a good amount of extreme weather. No problem. Of course, you can use it indoor too. And we have 2 options of the installation methods. We get the best view for our home security. Both wall-mounted and ceiling-mounted are optional. You can choose where you like to attach it. We have an intelligent recognition of what we want. It supports free human detection. Okay. We can use Alexa to view live monitor with our voice control. That's a cool feature too. And this makes this so smart. We have 2 antennas for better Wi-Fi connection. We have a charging indicator and PIR motion sensor, a photosensitive sensor, a lens, a microphone, a signal indicator, and an LED flashlight. We have, if we rotate a little bit the camera head, then we can see there is a cover made out of rubber. There's a reset button under it and a power on button. To pair it, we push the power button first. Then we push and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. We download the app from the internet, iOS or Android store. Then we make an account on it, and then we can pair them each other by creating a QR code. This QR code, the camera like to have a scan or make a photo of it. And this information in the QR code is to enter into our Wi-Fi network. After this, we can unplug the camera again and go to the installation area. There we can installation or mount it where we like. And after this, we can start and have a good day and night 24/7 security staff. Rebluum were established in 2022, mainly engaged in offering easy-to-use home security devices. The team is made of excellent and experienced R&D and major supply chain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.